Good wonderful morning, United States. Good wonderful evening, Singapore and China. Good afternoon, Germany. Welcome to your weekly Q&A, your Fashion Business Mastermind weekly Q&A, your weekly board meeting where you ask important questions and get answers that help you to move the needle in your business. I'm Julia Antofiev, fashion inventor and manufacturer, 15 years in business and your mentor on this wonderful journey. Stay tuned until the end of the Q&A session and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and ask your questions. Ask your questions in the comments below and I will answer them either during this Q&A or I'll take them to the next Q&A. Our Q&As are every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Berlin time. We have 3 interesting questions today. I'm very excited about them. So let's pull them up and go through them one by one. Question number 1, Tammy is asking, when introducing a new variation, what type of offers can you make to promote both prints at the same time? Stay tuned till the end of the video and to get a no BS answer to this question that you will not get anywhere else, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tammy is men art socks designer. She's a menwear designer and her product are men art socks. She has several variations of her designer socks and now she just has launched the second variation. Here's the question: how can you make sure, what kind of sales strategies can you use in order to be able to sell multiple variations to the same client? So let's go through those different sales strategies that are possible in such a case. There are several types of offers that can be made to promote both the new variation and the existing print at the same time. So the first sales strategy would be a special edition gift box. I would suggest you design a luxury packaging for to include both variations, the first one and the second one, and you offer this gift box to your clients as a limited edition gift package. No discounting is needed. The presentation should be high-end and make it irresistible for your existing clients and new clients as well to buy such a wonderful little gift for somebody else or for themselves. The second sales strategy would be to bundle these deal gift boxes. So imagine you design a gift box and you call it gift cube, and this gift cube contains 2 or 4 Tammy McRae art socks, and you offer obviously this gift cube to your clients, but you have a bundle offer where you offer 4 gift cubes. So if your client would purchase 4 gift cubes from you, they will get actually 1 of these 4 for free. So they will purchase 3 gift cubes and they will get 1 gift cube for free. Why would people buy those gift cubes? Well, they look fantastic. It's like an eye candy, a wonderful gift cube with 4 wonderful socks or 2 wonderful socks inside. And the challenge with gift purchase is that we always do it in the last minute. The best strategy for a gift purchase is to purchase gifts through the year, the moment when we see something beautiful and I think, this is wonderful and I would love to give it to someone. So socks, art socks, designer art socks are a universal gift, and it means having 4 little gift packages, those gift cubes, is not that bad because you can always pull it out and give it as a gift. And nobody will say no because this is such a wonderful gift. So the first one was design a gift cube, sell it as a gift edition, special gift edition. The second one, bundle your gift cubes and say, well, purchase all your gifts in advance, get 3 gift cubes and 1. So purchase 3 gift cubes and get 1 for free. The third sales strategy would be standard bundle deal. So it would mean that you will bundle 2, 3, 4 pairs of socks without any gift packaging and just sell them together. When people are purchasing more than one, purchasing them together, it will be less expensive for them. So you will have a better price for them. The strategy number 4 is buy one, get one free. So this one is kind of the same that I've just mentioned about the gift cubes, but in the gift cubes we have 4 pairs of socks per gift cube, and you're selling 3, so you're selling 12 socks at once and giving 4 for free. And here you can design it with single products as well. If people purchase 3 socks from you, the 4th pair will be for free. It's called buy 1 get 1 free, or buy 2 get 1 free, etc. The next strategy could be the cross-selling. Using email marketing or any other targeted marketing techniques to suggest new print to customers who already have bought your old print. You have all these customers who already are wearing your first print. You can mail them or contact them personally, write them a snail mail and ask them or offer them to purchase the second edition of your socks. The sales strategy number 6 is limited time promotion. So you would offer a special deal or discount. I don't like discounts. I like special deals where you add things on the top rather than giving discounts. But anyway, limited time promotion is a strategy where you offer a special deal or discount or both on both the new and existing prints for a limited time only. This strategy can be used in combination with the previously listed strategy. So this limited time offer, this limitation in the time, you can use it for each and every sales strategy that that you pick for your fashion brand. And actually it's a good thing to put a limited time offer on everything so that people decide quick, rather than sitting there and deciding to change their life until they're 110. God bless them. So here is the next sales strategy, is a free gift. You're offering a free gift or bonus item when customer purchases both the new and the existing print. So they need to get 2 prints, and then you are adding some gift on the top of that. This gift is not your sock, so it's not buy 2 get 1 free. This gift is something else, something that they would love to have. For example, a coupon to a jewelry store that your target group loves. The next strategy that you can use is a loyalty program. Offer reward or points for purchasing both the new variation and existing prints. And the sales strategy number 9 would be upselling. You are basically offering to your clients the second print as an upsell, or one of the prints as an upsell. Say, for example, if your client purchases the first print, you are offering her the second as an upsell. If your client purchases the second print first, the first print goes as an upsell. If you need help with your fashion business, and if you need support by like-minded fashion brand owners, click the link below in the description under this video and grab your 14 days free trial on Fashion Business Mastermind. Question number 2. Chantel is asking, what top 3 to 5 practices do you recommend a fashion business owner to implement, and how often? The first reason for entrepreneurial failure is being unable to keep your emotions in check. If I would ask you what is the first reason, you would come up with everything else but not this one. You would say kind of laziness, being not able to run the business, money. It all actually ends at the moment when you cannot keep your freaking emotions in check. Acting hysterical, procrastinating while being held hostage to the thoughts that you are not good enough, that no one likes you, that everyone finds your product ridiculous. These thoughts are caused by lack of self-care. Clean diet, physical exercise, and journaling are the must-have practices that will help you to keep your emotions in check, to be physically healthy, and to perform well in business. So this is the first thing. What are the practices? The first practices I recommend: eat clean, exercise daily, and journal daily. These 3 things to keep yourself sane and healthy. And the second reason for entrepreneurial failure is lack of cash flow. Setting monthly goals and frequent monitoring of your financial data is the second practice you should adopt. At any day, you should be able to see what is your projected revenue for 12 months ahead. So you should know how much your turnover will be in the next month, 2 months from now, in the next 12 months, so that you can calibrate, that you can adjust your strategy towards growth of your company. And for strategic data, evaluation takes place once per month. So once you have all your numbers, you evaluate your strategic data. Your projected revenue should be accessible to you on daily basis. You should be able to see your projected revenue on daily basis, not wait like till the end of the month to see that's not enough revenue in the next month. So this is a daily check for everyone. And for certain areas such as advertising, you will need to have a daily check as well, because daily strategical calibration is needed. You cannot set up a YouTube advertisement or Facebook advertisement, set it there and say, oh, at the end of this month I'm going to check, because at the end of the month you will figure out that all these campaigns you've set up are not working. You've spent your advertisement budget with no results. It means that you will need to check these stats every day and calibrate daily until your ads work. And actually after they work as well, you need to be on the case yourself and check your stats daily. If you need help with your fashion business and support by like-minded fashion brand owners, join the 14 days free trial in Fashion Business Mastermind, a mentorship program that helps you quit fear, get focused, and streamline your fashion business. Link in description under this video. Question number 3, Chantal is asking, when is the best time to evaluate packaging costs, shipping costs, taxes, etc.? I recommend to evaluate all your costs monthly. So at the end of the month, you will look through all the costs that you have and evaluate them, not including the advertisement, because advertisement has to be evaluated on a daily basis when it is running. It's not that you need to take action every month. You can figure out at a certain point in time in the beginning that your fulfillment costs are way too high. So you can say, okay, it's important for me to talk to the fulfillment house and tell to them what budget I was striving for, so that they go down with their pricing, for example. So you set up a meeting with the fulfillment house and they will tell you, yes, of course, we are going to accommodate your request for lower costs, but you need to have higher amount of shipments per month. The same with all costs. So it's not that every month you need to do something on them. Most of the time you need to see a problem and fix the problem, and then the problem is fixed for a couple of months. If you need help with your fashion business and support by like-minded fashion brand owners, join our 14 days free trial in Fashion Business Mastermind, a mentorship program that helps you quit fear, get focused, and streamline your fashion business. Link in description under this video. Question number 4, Chantal is asking, how often should pricing change? A very good question. In the very beginning, when you just launch your product, you will be testing your pricing. You have your pricing, your ideal pricing is cost of production landed times 5. Not everybody can start with COPL times 5 from the very beginning. You may have to start with COPL times 3 because your order volume in manufacturing are too low and your cost of production are high. So in the very beginning, you will be testing anyway. You will need to figure out this sweet spot. Where do you have a good margin for your product and where your clients are willing to buy? It's not always like you've set up a price and everybody wants to buy for this price. Sometimes you need to find the price what people are willing to buy for, and it lasts for some time. After that, when you figured out, yes, this is the price my clients are willing to buy my product for, then you do not change your price. And I do not like price changes as a sales strategy, so I would not do much with pricing as a sales strategy. I like changing your offer as a sales strategy, as a sales instrument. In previous video about the different sales strategies, we have covered several strategies that you can apply, making it attractive to your clients to buy more than one of your products without price discounting. So instead of giving a discount on one product to your clients, I suggest that you give an incentive to your clients to buy more products of yours at a better price together. So give people more products to buy at a better price rather than having one product discounted. This is what I would say about the pricing. And if you need help with your fashion business and support by like-minded people, join our 14 days free trial in Fashion Business Mastermind, the mentorship program that helps you quit fear, gain focus, and streamline your fashion business. Thank you very much for being on the Q&A today. I'm very much looking forward to your questions for the next week, and have a wonderful week ahead. Wear your passion.